Okay, I know this is going to sound dramatic, but hear me out. You might be aging your face every single morning in your own shower. Yep. While you're there, vibing, singing, relaxing, doing all the things to feel good, your skin is silently crying in the background like the third wheel at brunch. This video is for the girls, the guys, the skincare junkies, and even the just soap and water minimalists. Because the truth is, there's one mistake almost everyone makes in the shower, and it's aging your face, your skin, your vibe. Let's get into it. Hot water, not hot for your skin. Let's start with the classic, hot showers. I get it. They feel amazing, especially after a long day or when you're freezing, heartbroken, or trying to wash away all signs of society. But here's the truth. That steamy, cozy moment, it's doing your skin dirty, like real dirty. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils. It damages your lipid barrier, that magical layer that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. If your skin always feels tight after a shower, or you find yourself dousing it in moisturizer immediately after, yeah, this is why. What's worse? When the barrier breaks down, your products don't even work as well anymore. It's like putting expensive frosting on dry toast. What's the lipid barrier and why you should care? Let's talk about this skin barrier thing, because honestly, it deserves more hype than your last serum haul. Your lipid barrier is made of cholesterol, ceramides, and fatty acids. Basically, it's your skin's personal bodyguard. Keeps moisture and blocks pollution and bacteria, prevents your skin from going into panic mode. When you shower with hot water, it melts away those protective oils. So while you're having your main character moment under the steam, your skin is like, girl, help? What temperature should you use? So if hot water is the villain, what's the hero? Lukewarm water, that's it. That's the answer. Not too hot, not too cold, just that sweet middle. Think baby bath temperature, or barely enough steam to fog your mirror kind of temp. Cold water can feel refreshing, sure, but it won't cleanse oils or open pores. And hot water? We've been through this. It's the drama we don't need. Want to get fancy? Use lukewarm water on your face and cooler water on your body if you're into circulation boosts. Just skip the boiling lava temp. Face versus body, why you need a split level plan. Here's something most people don't realize. Face skin and body skin are not the same. They live in the same house, but they're totally different roommates. Your face has thinner skin, more nerve endings, and it freaks out way faster. But we treat it like our elbows. Most people do this, shower in hot water, let shampoo and conditioner drip all over, wash their face last, rub it dry with a towel that also dried their, let's fix that. Wash your face first before shampooing. Use lukewarm water just for your face. Clip up your hair to avoid runoff. Use a clean towel just for your face, not optional if you want glowy skin. Trust me, your forehead will thank you. Shampoo runoff means acne trigger. Let's go deeper. You've got expensive conditioner, smells amazing, but it's low-key ruining your jawline. Conditioners and shampoos are designed for your scalp and hair, not your skin. They often contain silicones, fragrance, occlusives, waxes. When they drip down your face, neck, and back, they clog your pores like tiny party crashers. Ever get breakouts on your back or around your hairline? This is usually why. How to fix it. Clip your hair up while rinsing. Wash your face after you rinse your hair. Or double cleanse your face outside the shower. Bonus points if you gently scrub your neck and shoulders post-conditioner. Towel drying mistakes that age your skin. Okay, we need to talk about towels, specifically what you're doing with them. You step out of the shower and scrub your face like you're cleaning a cutting board. No, please stop. That rubbing creates micro tears, teeny tiny invisible cuts that mess up your skin over time. They lead to redness, flakiness, loss of elasticity. And that, why does my face look tired? Oh, look, here's what to do instead. Pat dry, gently, like you're dabbing away secrets. Use a clean microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt, or let your face air dry a little and go straight into skincare. 60-second rule, why timing matters. This might be the biggest secret of them all. You have 60 seconds after showering to moisturize. After that, your skin starts to lose hydration. Fast. It's called transepidermal water loss. Science-y name, very real. So what should you do? Keep your skincare near your shower. Apply products while your skin is still slightly damp. Start with a toner or essence, then layer your serums and creams. And yes, this includes your body too. You're not done until your neck, chest, and hands are moisturized. Shower lighting and mood equal skin impact? Let's get into something almost nobody talks about. Your shower lighting. Yep, light. As in, the vibe, the brightness, the ambience. Here's how it messes with your skin. Bright fluorescent light, you notice every pore. You over-scrub yellow warm light, you miss patches, your own product buildup. Dark, moody shower equals mist spots equals irritation later. Even worse, old bathroom bulbs sometimes emit low UV that accelerates aging. Fix it. Use soft, indirect LED lighting. Install a lighted vanity mirror for your skincare zone. Don't over-examine your skin while you're damp and vulnerable. Your face isn't a crime scene. Let it breathe. Shower stress and skin connection, the emotional side. Okay, real talk. Have you ever taken a scalding hot shower? Not because it felt good, but because you were overwhelmed, sad, anxious? Yeah, you're not alone. Our shower habits reflect our mental state. Scorching water equals emotional release. Over-scrubbing equals control issue. Long showers equals escape from life. But guess what? Your skin knows. It picks up on the stress, the cortisol, the inflammation. So here's a gentle reminder. Use your shower time to heal, not punish. Affirmations while you wash. Deep breaths while you rinse. Gratitude while you moisturize. You deserve that peace. The glow-up shower routine, step by step. Let's build your new routine, the one that protects your skin, supports your mood, and helps you age like fine wine. Remove makeup before you get in. Use lukewarm water only. Wash your face first. Clip hair up before shampoo. Rinse conditioner fully gently. Pat face and body dry with soft towel. Apply skincare within 60 seconds. Don't forget neck, chest, hands. Drink water after you towel off. Light a candle if you're feeling cute. Do this daily. Real change in 30 days, not just in your skin, but in how you feel. You deserve better skin effortlessly. If no one told you today, you don't need more expensive products. You just need better habits. Your skin isn't high maintenance. It's high communication. And your shower routine? It sets the tone for everything. So give yourself the love, the softness, the intention, even under a shower head. Drop a comment. What's the one habit you're changing today? Like this, if this made you rethink your daily routine. Subscribe for more secrets that actually make a difference. Until next time, keep it warm, keep it kind, keep it glowing.